The border state of California has a staggering statistic, and it's not about those crossing, it's about the ones that are driving. That's right, more than 1 million illegal migrants have been issued a California driver's license since 2015. Now, it is perfectly legal since the law was enacted to remove that state's legal resident requirement. Cal Matters data showing that nearly 4 in 10 illegal aliens across the state of California have obtained a driver's license to legally operate a motor vehicle since that law took effect. To talk about some of the concerns over this growing trend is David Pibtorek, an individual rights attorney who is based in California. David, great to see you today.
Thanks for having me.
The numbers are huge. Just sharing with our folks here. Since 2017, about 500,000 illegal aliens sought driver's licenses in California, but then there's the 580,000 who have renewed theirs since 2018. That's a lot of illegals on the roads, and we know there's more than a dozen other states, David, that do this. So, you break the law, you come here, and you get a privilege to drive like an American citizen. It does not seem logical. Your take?
Well, so the 10th Amendment does give the states pretty broad leeway to control activities within their own borders, ironically enough. But you have states like California that just try to out-crazy everybody else, with New York not too far behind. So we have things like this driver's license program, sanctuary cities, and even in some cities, you have voting rights for illegals. And to understand it, you kind of have to look at the broader picture. Because for the last 100 years or so, since the communist revolution in Russia, you've had these globalist leftists who've essentially been trying to eradicate the very idea of borders, boundaries, morals, and even objective truth itself. And the result of that is, in our country, we have 6-year-olds now being taught that there's no such thing as a man or woman. And this is the very culmination of what the infamous communist Antonio Gramsci called the Long March through the Institutions.
David,